Yeah, ne, welcome to Scare TV. Kiss our flavor.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Ibhethri fully charged ngilitshajile ibhethri wena uma ufika ufuna usenzo ibhethri lisemotweni ngilifakile ibhethri lisemotweni just ufika ufuna usenzo.
What is one?
Mina wabona picture kusena lanyona ka imixitse nja oil hlakane limitsi green sharp wabona ke libisi la ile
a re ke bona Friday ya ke fitla bo ke ba mara ke a lebo gampetse iko charting no
Hayi sikhali mfethu, azi siyabuka mfethu. Ekugcineni uNkulunkulu uzoyiprovider imithandazo yami ngoba abanye abantu they will take advantage of into zakho. Mara siya lokushini.
24 hours later.
Right, ngifike ngayistata ngathela amanzi, ngathela igazolo, yastata mara inalento le ukuthi ayisound ngathi igrand ikhona into elebe shathile ithi ta yo azini. So at the point I was like azini forgetting phone lomakhinika ngokuthi kanti yini le elingiselanga mara azini at the end of the day umuntu masaka kenze kabi uyabaleka. So ngamthethela le video wayenza kaso manje mayifika ku1 mayifika ko1 rev count thing yabhubhuza yawuza konke shaya konke dula sure
Ayuf.
konke tibo
Yini?
Oh.
I'm honestly defeated, Shem. Yeah, ne. Malengaka sengifaka kule moto.
2 hours later.
Okusalayo asipheli moya, ake siyithinte, sike siyiwashe, sike siyenze ibe prepared.
Bitch. Don't tell me about niggas by chance. Yeah, I wait my time. I chill at the river. I think on I got my answers. Every time when I'm with my niggas, yeah, I be feeling like a bouncer. Cause niggas that don't fuck with us and we don't fuck with them. Boom rappers by chance. Yeah, okay, boom rapper by chance. Yeah, hey, boom rapper by chance. Hey, boom rapper by chance. Hey, hey, boom rapper by chance. Okay, hey, them niggas by chance, bro. Yeah, them niggas by chance. Hey, all them niggas by chance. Hey, all them niggas by chance. Hey.
So, my headache is this.
Running out of time for waiting. Color, find something else to be. Babies, running out of time for waiting.
Yeah. But now I'm better, yeah. Hey, yeah. But now I'm better, yeah. I can't go back to. Oh, we get cheddar. Oh, we get cheddar. Oh, we get cheddar, yeah, yeah. Oh, we get cheddar. Oh, we get cheddar. Oh, we get cheddar, yeah. Alright, yo, listen. I just got rich like yesterday. I didn't tell her, nah. Or she might tell her me, and they might envy me. Man, I got niggas and I got haters who gon' bet on me. Or that's LOVE, they see me as GOD. Or do not beef with me, your bitch gon' come in SMD. Man, I got the fam and I got some brothers, I can't be on D&D. I gotta be there to pick up the 4 when they want the cheddar, yeah. Or we get cheddar, or we get cheddar, or we get cheddar. Hey man, life got good, man. You cannot complain about this bitch.
Just to cut the story short, ended up taking the vehicle to another mechanic to actually look into the vehicle. And yazini umchita bekalungisa manga, bekalungisa impambano yakhe marazini.
1 week later.
Yaze yabuya kamakhenika madoda. Nazo. Bolova. Nemoto bolova. Ngiyabona ukuthi yenziswa ukuthi if you've been following this vlog, then you know what I'm talking about. From being, it's been a long trip, man, to get where we are right now. Mara sothini futhi ke flavor. La kukhona khona uNkulunkulu izinto zenzeka. So yeah, thank you very much, Stibo. I'm sitting in my car right now. But by the way, we're selling the car. So if you are interested, leave a comment or send us a DM on one of our social media platforms. Should be able to reply to you. Because at the end of the day, system savings in about. Hey, what I said? Hey, what? Scott Troyela, when? It's a Scott Troyela, when? I want to tell Except.
I see trouble before it happens.
Oh, wow.
Two weeks later.
Bye, baby. Today we're selling you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, so we come up with a trick in order to persuade the guy to buy the car today. So the trick is that I'm the buyer, which in actual fact I'm the seller. So Tabo is just a middleman in regards to this, but he has agreed to do it. So we went to his workplace. When we got to his workplace, he said, Tabo said to this guy, yo, my brother, nangu munye mshita naye uthi uyayifuna le moto, ufuna ukuyisebenzisa for Uber. Yabo, athi manje mshita uthi uyayifuna isatha le moto, uyangibuza lo mshita the buyer. I'm like, yo mfana, ngiyayifuna mfana, yo ngangenzela imali ebhaya. It's just that manje ngipayiswa ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthola amachankura Friday. Hey, so no, Thabo siyaphuma isitori uThabo futhi ngicela ningimeleni ngiyachayisa manje. Masiceda ukushayisa mhlambe nayo lo mshita. Yabo? Ngimtshela uThabo lapho ukuthi mfana sewuzongitshela mfana mangabe le moto sasekhona mina ngiyavaya no. Yabo? Ngiyavaya no. Mina nawe sizokhuluma kahle maybe Thursday or ukuthi Friday ngizokala ngizolanda itrans ngilethe nenyuki yakho yabo. So what is the situation but as in Southini sifuna ukuyithengisa le moto. It's been a long time since we had this car but nami mangidriver like I feel ukuthi yo ngathi ngayidriver more but into mase ihlala isikhathi eside. There's no point in you keeping it, you know, let it go to other people. Probably it will help someone else. So for me, keep flavor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Thabo. I hope our little plan ihamba kahle. So yeah, we shall wait. While I wait, mele cabanga mele kwakhe uThabo. So I'm waiting for them. Sesicabangela nebhetri lami liyanya ngapha. So ukuthukana. So yeah, don't forget Kisikhiya TV.
Ilazini. Bathengisa imali nowadays. Azini Nkosi yami. Bye bye. Last time you see this car. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hambe kahle boy. Okay. Ngibuyile namhlanje. So couldn't stay for the deal. But I'm hoping that the deal is going on. I'm gonna call Sabo when I get home. Mara manje sengisegazi ku-Flavor Ntate. I couldn't be part of the deal. As I was saying, I think my mic was off on that last clip. Mara ku-Flavor Ntate. I'll hear Sabo how the deal went about. Thank you.